In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal in WooCommerce, fast and easy. If you're running an online store with WooCommerce, integrating PayPal is a great way to offer your customers a trusted and convenient payment option. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can have it set up in no time. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Make sure you're already logged into your WordPress account, as this is where you'll be managing the plugins and settings for your WooCommerce store. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and locate the Plugins tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we'll be managing all the additional functionalities that you can add to your website. Once you're in the Plugins section, look for the Add New button. It's usually toward the top of the page. Click on Add New to open the plugin installation area. This is where you can search for and install new plugins for your WordPress site. Now, in the search box that appears, type in PayPal. You'll see a list of PayPal-related plugins. Look out for the official WooCommerce PayPal plugin to ensure you are installing a trusted and reliable plugin. When you find it, you'll notice there should be an Install Now button. If someone has already installed it, as in my case, you'll have an Activate button instead. Installing a plugin just means downloading it to your site, whereas activating it makes it ready to use. So, if you haven't installed it yet, go ahead and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the plugin to use it on your site. If your button now says Activate, go ahead and click it. Activating the plugin will automatically connect it to your WooCommerce website, giving you access to PayPal payment processing. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've seamlessly integrated PayPal into your WooCommerce store, allowing your customers to use a popular and secure payment method when shopping with you. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your store's payment options, providing your customers the trust and security they need to make purchases confidently. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to check back for more tips and tricks on enhancing your WooCommerce store, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy selling!